Hello YouTube, how are y'all doing? Today we will be going over Lyft and how to make pretty decent money being a driver. I've been averaging anywhere from 30 to upwards of $50 an hour, which is pretty good. Obviously you have the expense of gas and some slight maintenance expenses as well, but still $30 to $50 an hour I think we can all use. And in all honesty, right now, currently, I have a full-time job. I'm working roughly 50 hours a week, but when they email me with a bonus of, here, we'll give you a guaranteed $395 if you do 20 lifts, I get my ass off the couch and go make $395. You know what I mean? Anyway, so the whole reason I started Lyft as well as Uber Eats and DoorDash was there for a while. My job slowed down because of the whole coronavirus, and I needed to find another means of income. I tried to apply for the Uber driver as well, but Uber has a stipulation that your car cannot be more than 9 years old. And I drive a 2011 Toyota Tacoma, which just now hit 10 years old. So I am uneligible to drive for Uber. Lyft, I guess they don't really care how old your car is. Anyways, so we will be going over some of the benefits of Lyft, kind of going over some of the bonuses and how to go about getting them. So first off, there for a while, they were offering a $395 guarantee, okay, for 20 lifts. So that means you provide 20 lifts, you will make at least $395, okay? Now, typically in these 20 lifts, I was averaging anywhere from $250 to $300, okay? And then they added the extra to make it at least $395. In most cases, it was in the low 400s because I don't think they account for tips and stuff. That's an added onto that. And in most of the time, I was able to complete this in 8 hours or under. I think one set of 20 deliveries I was able to complete in 6 hours and something. Pretty good pay for $400. But anyway, they offer another bonus. And let me state this real quick. I live in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, okay? This is a very heavily populated area, so I'm sure depending on where you're at and the need for Lyft drivers is going to determine the bonuses. I think some of the reason why the bonuses were so extreme is because the world is opening back up. People are going back to work. A lot of people were doing Lyft that were laid off, now have real jobs. So the need for a Lyft driver is more, so they give you some incentive. Because for normal Lyft pay, I'm not getting off the couch and going and doing it. Sorry, especially driving a Tacoma. But anyway, so right now, the big one they're offering is $15 bonus on top of your 3 rides. Okay, so they want you to complete 3 rides and you will receive an extra $15 on top of what you made for them 3 rides. And the trick is you have to stay online for them 3 rides, okay? So that turns out to be 4 rides unless you decline a ride, which hurts your score, okay? Because you cannot go offline until you complete your 3rd ride. And typically, by the time you're about to complete your 3rd ride, they've already queued you for another one. So you can't then sign off until after you start your 4th ride, which then you get your bonus. So really, it's 4 rides for an extra $15. They trick you there. But even still, with that, I'm easily averaging $30 an hour. And again, I'll show you here. That you can make some money, okay? Some of these, they might have, 8 or 9 rides. So I did 2 sessions, okay, of the $15 bonus, and then I did some rides in between, and that's how I came up with that total. But even still, you're looking at $100-something for 3 hours worth of work. Still, again, not bad. You meet some pretty interesting people too. You meet some pretty weird people too. But But anyway, another new thing I noticed since their last update is when they're not actually offering these bonuses, they have bonus areas. I haven't quite figured out how to find them. It just so happens that sometimes when I drop off people, I'm in that bonus area. And basically that looks like this. And you have your two squares, okay? You have your pink inner square, you have your purple outer square, okay? As long as you're inside that pink inner square, your bonus for your next ride will continue to rise, almost like an ongoing jackpot, so to speak. Pretty cool. Until you get your next ride. And then when you get your next ride, that amount is then added on to what that ride would have previously made you, okay? If you go outside that pink box into the purple box, your raise in bonus stops, but you will still receive that bonus where it stopped at, okay? It just will not continue to go up unless you are inside that. Now you can move in and out, however, but again, it's only going to increase when you're in that pink, which is pretty cool too, especially if you can mix these pink bonuses with your three ride $15 bonus. You can make some pretty good money. So I will be doing some more videos regarding these money-making apps as far as DoorDash, Uber Eats. I can't do Uber Driver, obviously. And then I'm signing up for Favor now, just because, sometimes when I got downtime, the wife's working, the kid's in school, whatever, I'm either sitting at home bored, spending money. Why not go out and make money? Especially when, for me, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to open up my phone. I'm going to look at Uber Eats. I'm going to look at DoorDash. I'm going to look at Favor. I'm going to look at Lyft, and I'm going to see who's going to give me the most money, and I'm going to go do it. And the same goes for if you're really wanting to network between these, okay? You'll notice that your Lyft peak times alternate from your Uber Eats DoorDash peak times, okay? So when you're going to be slow on Uber Eats and DoorDash, right around 2 to 4 or 5, and then after dinner rush, and then between your morning breakfast, like usually it slows down between 9 and 11. That's typically when your Lyft picks up, and that's when obviously they offer you more money. So you can then alternate between then. You get on your Uber bonuses when it's busy. You get on your Lyft bonuses when it's busy. I mean, if you're out there hustling, man, you can make some money, especially when you have all these options at your fingertips to be able to sort through and be like, you know what, you're going to pay me the most, I'm doing you, okay? And then to end it all, okay, which one thing I absolutely love, just like today I had a job interview, okay, sent me all the way out to downtown Fort Worth, right? Well, I'm ready to go home, okay, I'm going to enjoy the day off, make this video, do a few other things. So what I did is I opened up my phone, I've opened up Lyft, and they have an option, okay, that allows you to only pick up Lyft rides that take you to your destination. So I punched in my destination of Arlington, Texas, about 25-30 minutes away from where I'm at, and it gave me only Lyft rides that took me home. So I essentially made money on my way home. I mean, what more can you ask for, right? So anyways, I hope this video has been informative. And if you're watching this, you're obviously have some sort of entrepreneurial spirit and like making money like I do. I literally, try all different kinds of things. I have a side business, I work, I do this. I'm all about making money because money makes life a lot easier. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I will get to my next video regarding the DoorDash, Uber Eats, benefits, differences. And let me say this, okay? And I almost forgot. And this is kind of cool. I'm not too familiar with the Lyfts because I think this is a fairly new add-on. But with Uber Eats, okay, they have a little bit more to offer. But what they have is basically a reward program, so to speak. Okay, you get points for working during busy hours, blah blah blah. Okay, these points acquire, they reset every month. If you get enough points, you elevate in tiers. Okay, now these tiers each offer you different benefits, and some of these benefits I'm going to list off, not necessarily for each individual one, just as a whole, because quite honestly I get confused and they're probably, intertwined within another. But either Uber Eats or Lyft, depending on your tier, will offer you certain automotive discounts. Lyft offers, in particular, they offer you a rental program. If you have no car, you can rent a car from them for about $200 a week, okay, and go out and make money using that car. Pretty cool. They offer dental and vision insurances. I believe Uber Eats offers a free online college if you elevate to a certain tier. I know they both offer free English lessons. Various incentives. Uber Eats, they offer gift cards once you get to a certain level. So which is kind of cool. It's kind of saying, hey, if you're going to make this a full-time job or a high hour part-time job, we're going to reward you with some of the benefits that you might receive from an actual job, which is also kind of neat. But anyway, I forgot what I was saying before I interrupted myself. But I'll get on them videos. Hopefully, get them out here soon. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. Go make some money.